In this video, we will be using shapes to represent numbers. This will help you to understand what algebra really is. Try to figure out what number the square represents. With algebra, instead of using shapes, we use letters. We use letters to represent an amount we do not know yet, just like we are doing here with the shapes. Here we have 2 lots of y, which can also be written as 2y. Have a go at these questions. Pause the video whilst you figure them out. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more algebra help.